How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your oil life light or your maintenance light on a 2006 to 2014 Honda Ridgeline, all trims. So you're going to turn on your ignition. As you can see, this customer is past due, but if it wasn't, if you had to toggle through it, you'd use the select button right here to toggle through it. So anyways, we're going to go to oil life screen, and then you're going to go press and hold the reset button, and you're going to keep holding. It takes a little bit, and keep holding. All right, until you get to this screen. Maintenance reset. It says no currently. You're going to hit select right over here. Now it says yes. Now you're going to press and hold it for a couple seconds, and your oil life is reset. As always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and have a good one. Stay safe.